Hi, and thanks for watching another video by Miss Know-It-All. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own dishwasher detergent. There are only a few items needed for this recipe. First item is water, a box of So Clean Arm & Hammer superwashing soda, a hand mixer, a tablespoon, a measuring cup, a jar, and the final item that's needed is Dr. Bronner's Organic Peppermint Pure Castile Soap. Let's get started. The first thing we need are 3 cups of water. We're going to take each cup of water and pour it into this mason jar. A little extra because I didn't fill it up to the top. The next thing you need to do is you need 3 tablespoons of the Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. I've tried other recipes as well, and the peppermint works really well. I'm just going to pour that right into the mason jar. And let it sit for a couple minutes. Okay, now we're going to take 1 1/4 cup of the Arm & Hammer superwashing soda and slowly pour it into the mason jar. Oops. Let it dissolve a little bit. You don't want it to fizz too much or else it will come out of the jar. Okay. Then we're going to grab a spoon and stir it up a little bit. Next we're going to stir it up. Just slightly stir it just to mix the ingredients in with the washing soda until it dissolves. Okay, once it's mixed, you're going to put the lid on your jar and invert it. Shake it up a little bit more. I notice that there's some still left at the bottom. Okay, once it's mixed thoroughly, you're going to invert the bottle and let it sit for 1 hour. Okay, so it's been an hour now. I just turned it upside down. When you open the lid, it should be thick like this. So next you're going to put the lid back on, shake it up vigorously again for about a minute, then invert it upside down again. After you're finished with that, I'll be back. Okay, so it's been another hour. Let's take the lid off. Your mixture should be gelatinous like this. We're going to now take our mixer and mix it all up into a creamy mixture. Okay, so now I have my hand blender and I'm going to insert it into the jar and start whipping it up. Try to whip it up for about 2-3 minutes. Okay, so I've been mixing about 2-3 minutes now, and your dishwashing soap should come out creamy like this. That's it. Just put it in your dishwasher, put in all your dirty dishes, and voila, you're good to go. This batch only costs about 2 cents per dishwashing load. After you measure out all the ingredients and everything, it costs about 2 cents to run a dishwashing load. Alright, thanks again for watching another video by Miss Know-It-All. See you soon! Okay, so I'm going to test out my first load with my new batch of soap. As you can see, there's baked on egg over there. I didn't rinse any of my utensils. As you can see, they're all still really dirty. Top as well. So let's put this through and see what happens. Okay, so the dishwasher's done now. Let's check it out. And wow, as you can see, the plate is spotless. The silverware is spotless. And the glass is spotless. Perfect. Once again, thanks for watching Miss Know-It-All. We'll see you soon.